onto my iPad that's hooked up to my Wi-Fi network, hotspot off my phone, and no wires. The truck's sitting there doing its thing, no wires. I got my pad here, and I could sit at my campsite, have a beer or a coffee and a fire, whatever you're gonna do, and play some ham radio on the side. So and she's going to the showers, and we're gonna set up, you got it, we're gonna set up some ham radio. Okay, so the idea here is to have something that is super stealth. We're gonna start off, we're gonna put in the HamStick on the back of the truck here, so very normal looking. And then got the Go kit here. Now I've got to keep it available. We take the truck out to go take the dogs downtown and stuff, so I've got to kind of keep this not in the way. So I got this little antenna wire here. It's going to go to the front. I may have to change that. It's not really long enough. All right, so it's not going to be that hidden, but we're going to start off with this, with the radio up here, like so. It would be very easy if I didn't have to use the truck all the time. To go, we could just leave the truck parked. Again, I could set up another antenna, which I just might do. Not be relying on this camera's kind of in the way there. That's for the trailer. I think we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna ditch the HamStick on the truck here, and actually just, I brought my bag mount. I'll probably just stick it on that pole or something. Yeah, it might be the way to do it. Actually, just put it right in the trees. Guys, here's all my crap on the computer. We're gonna do FLRig. Start that sucker up. Okay, we got that going. And then we're gonna do WSJTX. All right, a little high, but I got a secret for it, and you guys probably seen in my other video this guy. I got a video on this that I put together, and it changes the SWR in a good way. I'll put a link in this video for you guys to see that one. All right, so it's clipped on the top. Here's Happy Dog. Let's see what happens here. Down. Perfect SWR. Okay, so here's the whole thing with this is I grab my phone and I'm gonna put up hotspot. And I'm gonna get this guy on my hotspot. Okay. Not seeing anything on here though. What's going on in the... There we go. Okay. So you can see on here, we're not getting anyone coming on, so our time is probably off, most likely. If it was off-grid, I would use a GPS, but right now I'm using this GT Sync. And we're gonna do get time. Probably the most important thing here, clock offset. So we were almost 3 seconds off. Oh, I pushed get again. So very important that you have good time. If you're off the grid, a GPS dongle is a necessary thing. You do need it. All right, so I got that. We should start decoding right away. I got my hotspot up. I'm gonna check. There we go. We're rolling now. What do we got going on here? Why is that one over top? I want to see here. Open log settings, because I'm at a POTA park. And I don't have a log made yet, so that's perfect. I got to back up. So it's going to be a brand new log. And we're going to go CQ POTA. And we're going to enable TX. All right. We're going to let her rip. We are now officially transmitting on FT8. And what we're going to do now, this is where it's all fun and games. We're going to close this. I'm going to pack this up a little better here. I'm going to go onto my iPad. I'm going to be using Google Remote Desktop. So I'm going to generate a code here. Okay. Look at that. We are running in stealth mode now. So just a quick recap, everyone. I got the 891 all in this box, battery and all that self-contained. I'm using the HamStick here with my little coil doohickey on the top to get my SWR down, loading the top. Got my laptop hooked up to it, running my software, hotspot on my phone, Google Chrome desktop onto my iPad that's hooked up to my Wi-Fi network, hotspot off my phone, and no wires. The truck's sitting there doing its thing, no wires. I got my pad here and I could sit at my campsite, have a beer or a coffee and a fire, whatever you're gonna do, and play some ham radio on the side. So we're gonna see what happens and see if we could get caught. Hey guys, let's see what happens. All right, you guys stay inside.